There they are. Here's one. Puppies. And here's little red girl. Guys, get off of me. Puppies. Say hi. What are you scratching for? Come on, guys. Say hi. Puppies, puppies, puppies. Oh, they're so cute. But here's the two girls, the little fawn, and here's the darker red. Don't eat the camera. They're both very playful, both very loving. Temperaments are pretty much the same. The difference is the little fawn, she's a little bit more aggressive as far as outgoingness goes. And they're running circles around me. There she is. There's a fawn. And here comes Red. Y'all are so silly. Puppies! Don't pull the grass up. Hello. Okay, off my lap. Go play with your sister so I can get a picture.